Presenting a pre-owned 2009 Lexus LX 570. This four-door SUV has an 8-cylinder, 5.7-liter V8 engine, with all-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This Lexus has less than 149,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 12 miles per gallon in the city, and 18 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include luxury package, preferred accessory package, DVD player, Sirius satellite radio, anti-lock brakes, cruise control, power steering, keyless entry, universal remote, moonroof, leather seats, power door locks, stability control, traction control, Bluetooth, and power windows.